Alright, so in Home Goods, look right here. We have the Martha Stewart ghost. And again, you get 3 in here. It's kind of cool. It lights up and everything. This is 20. I'm in TJ Maxx. And another Martha Stewart. Oh, this is the one that makes noise, right? Yeah, let me pan out. I wish the ghost made noise, but it doesn't. $50 for this lady. Okay, I have not seen the ghost mirror. Everyone keeps asking me. I've just been seeing these mirrors, but it's not even a real mirror. It's by Christian LaCroix. He should be a real mirror, because I'm pretty sure this is pretty pricey. $12.99. And the ghost in the moon. I don't know if we've seen the ghost in the moon, you guys. Have we seen the ghost in the moon? I know, I just saw a little girl one from Home Goods. $35 right here. I actually love it. This would go perfect on a fireplace too. Perfect. I like that. Happy Halloween. It will light up. And my husband's calling like every Home Depot, see if there's Halloween. Every time I call Home Depot, they think we're crazy. It's kind of funny. I'm like, people want to know what's out, and then I just film it. Okay, these are going to be $29.99 for this guy right here. $30 for that? I don't think that's bad. It's kind of heavy. $40 on the Phantom. Oh, that's a mirror. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. He's cute.
Oh, I like him.
With his shoes. He's cute. He's 15. He's adorable. Okay, we got a little butler guy here. Oh no, Bone Daddy. It's just going to go right through you. You know, like corpse bride. This is neat. This is $130. Who makes it? Midnight Fright.
You know, you could easily make that thing where, so if you put like a bowl at the bottom or something, you know, like put him in one, you could run a filter line up through him and have it go into the cup, so it's sucking up and blowing into the cup but going back down, you know, through his ribs, and it'll kind of hide the line too. You just make it like a red color, like wine.
50. I think we saw that. And down here by Spooky Night, I believe this might be a fogger. Is this a fogger? It's a mist, changing color mist. So it looks like it turns red too. It's like way at the bottom, so I'm not gonna like get the price on that. Why don't they have it on top? That guy. Okay. More ghost. I know a lot of people are over that. Tons. Winnie the Pooh and Stitch. He's 17. And then we have Stitch coming out of the pumpkin. This one might be 17 as well. Okay. $12.99. But let me move this one over here. Look at this by Martha Stewart. Bring him to the front. Thank you very much, Smart Spider-Man. So adorable. That one's broken, so I didn't get it. Let me pan back in. 15, and it does not light up. It does not. Now, I've seen most of the houses enter at your own risk. I'm not sure if I've seen this one. Oh, no noise or anything. Mummies. Oh, this one's new. Haven't seen the Apple one. Is it broken? 15. Here's what it looks like. I'm a vampire. That's 15. The ghost candle. Does it smell good? It just smells like kind of like spicy pumpkin. There was no price on that one. 20. We've seen this one. Oh. So funny. 10. It does light up. This cat is $12.99. What is this one in the back? More garland. Like a little bat. Bell one. 15. Pumpkin. The doggy. Oh, these are cool. Oh my god. This is cool. There's only one. The rest is Disney. Oh, the price is worn off. What the heck? What the heck? No, somebody said that there was like some type of vintage ones at the Dollar Tree. I don't think I saw it. Look at the hat. There's no price on it though.
Oh, he's cool.
I know. And the rest is like Jack and Sally, like nothing more vintagey. I like that guy. Frank is my man. I want to go dance with Frank at Universal.
He was huge.
Can we do that?
He had those big old shoes on.
15.
Did you see this?
What is that, a game?
Yeah.
Ghost can't draw. 15. Should we be messing with this?
That's funny. Okay.
I know, but should we be messing with it?
Yes, we're gonna make the little ghost draw.
Hey, I don't do the Ouija board stuff, you guys. Okay, when you grow up with hearing nothing but scary tales from Mexico, it's like, no thank you.
Yeah.
You know?
They're monsters, like horrible things to you.
These are cool. We've seen these before. Well, that's a cool game though. Battering, like a large one, 15. They have it in blue too. Okay. Oh, we haven't seen this one where they're like on a bike. Maybe 20. I feel like this might have been from last year. The children. He looks like a Hotel Transylvania Drac, a young version of Drac when they have. Oh my gosh! Sorry. Look at this. Oh my gosh. $12.99. She's like a fall Halloween. Like look at this one.
Oh, that's cute. Customer service.
It's
I
cute.
like that one. That's like actually vintage.
Well, yeah, I know. That's why I liked it. Stitch. 15. This little cat guy. This is 8. $8 for him. 15 for the eyes. We just seen these at Home Goods. Okay, yeah, a lot of alien. This one's 15. That's 20. You know what? That covering his eye, you could put a pirate patch over that one. But they have a large one, like that little one. Pirate patch over him. He's a pirate ghost. It's like really cool looking. I like him. And then we have the pumpkin. The ghost dog. Pillows. Okay, yeah, more ghost. $15. $8. That's 8 for the bat one. That's gonna light up trick or treat. I don't think I've seen this one. $20. I think this is a mirror. What's so called? Oh, you know what? It lights up. Let me get to it. Hmm. 17. Okay, more of the cat. Doggy. Can I move back? I thought someone was behind me. I don't know if I've seen this one. It's kind of just like that radio. I feel like you could save this for Valentine's Day if you really want to. I mean, it has the hearts, just like that one goes with the heart bow. $12.99. Are these? Oh, these are just hats. Okay. Look at this ghost. Here's another different blow mold. Is this a blow mold? Because you know they have one 17. There's a different shape one. It does light up. Is this it for Halloween?
There's some behind you too.
Oh, we have this end cap over here. Bougie. It's funny. I like this. This is all year long. All year. $12.99. You know, my mom, when I was growing up, always hated that I like skulls. I just like the bones and bodies. I don't know. But she's like, why do you buy stuff like that? Don't put your kids in skull shirts or whatever, you know? She doesn't watch this. We don't get support.
No.
You guys who are watching out there, people I don't know, are like my #1 supporters. Okay, this is cute.
And I think
15.
And I think my sister watches our Halloween. But that's about it. That's like my whole family that watches. Just my sister. She's the only one who watches. So thank you.
20. This does light up. I wonder if it's going to be one of those where you turn it on and touch it.
Oh yeah, the plasma.
Oh yeah, there it is.
There it is.
Okay, yeah.
There's
Remember
the batteries.
Spencer's used to
Yes.
have these? They
Yeah.
don't. I don't even know if they have them
You know what's cool is they're operated by batteries now. Remember you used to have to plug them in the wall?
Okay, the ghost with the umbrella. He's like such a sad ghost, but he's dripping.
Dripping.
$12.99.
What is
It's like glue or something.
Look, it's on both of them.
Where? They might have been stuck together. Tape? And it melted? Maybe
yeah,
tape?
Maybe something got hot in the truck. Because like those candles at Home Goods that are all melted, the ghost candles.
Okay, let's look on this end cap over here. Okay, more ghosts. The football one. So funny. This one with the martini. Oh, it's a squishy. Then more ghosts. That. I'm looking at that.
I'm looking at this.
We've been seeing so many spa stuff. It's kind of funny, actually. These are 15. Today we have the pumpkins and spa.
This thing.
What is that?
It's smoking.
Yeah, I know. They had that one over there that was like too heavy. They have a lot of this cool stuff. How much is that?
50.
50.
There's what looks like a lid in there. That's just a lid.
Yeah.
That's cool.
These are boxes. They're $5.99. That was a puzzle. I like these wooden ghosts.
Yeah, those are neat.
This guy's just probably gonna dance.
My money don't jiggle jiggle.
I don't like that. Yeah, that is so not cool. It's just like dumb.
Sounds like a speak and spell.
Like, why do they have that guy ruin it? Like, hey, I think about filming people.
Even if it was
Let me
like,
go look at the mugs.
Even if it was like the obvious spooky scary skeletons, it would be so much better than that stupid song.
Sorry, I meant to hit pause, but I didn't. So normally my videos are not very well edited compared to his 10. No, this is what he does. 10. Pause, put down. Like, we're both on different time crunches for work, so he has a little more time than me.
They don't miss me.
I mean, I try, but like that walking. Okay, ghost. $7. Okay, I feel like a lot of these mugs are the same. Oh, the skeleton bear one's cute.
Oh yeah.
$8. And then you have the espresso one. It cracks me up. These are all the same. Alright, you guys, I believe that might do it for TJ Maxx walk through. I feel like TJ Maxx, Marshall's was good in the beginning, but TJ Maxx, I feel like they're kind of lacking because they used to be really, really good, like have a lot more. But please stay safe out there. Please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me with YouTube 15. These are 15. And I will see all of you guys in the next one. These are like cast iron, so I like them. Creepy but cute.